Good morning, everyone, and good morning, sir. This is my report of elements. Delirium is a chemical element. It has a symbol of atomic number 52. It's brittle, mildly toxic, rare, silver-white metalloid. Delirium is chemically related to selenium and sulfur, all three of which are chalcogens. It, it is occasionally found in native form as elemental crystals. Tellurium ay isang chemical na elemento na simbolong Te at atomic number na 52. Ito ay semi-metal na mga katangian parehong metal at non-metal. Ito ay pangunahing ginagamit ng tellurium sa paggawa ng alloys. Tellurium has been used to vulcanize rubber, to tint glass and ceramics and solar cells, in rewritable CDs and DVDs, and as a catalyst in oil refining. It can be doped with silver, gold, copper, or tin in semiconductor at application. Trivia: Tellurium is one of the rarest elements on Earth, but plentiful in space. The rarity of the tellurium element present in the Earth's crust at about 0.001 parts per million. Tellurium comes from the Latin word "tell us", which is mean Earth. The element is a semiconductor that shows a greater electrical conductivity in certain direction or when exposed to light. Tellurium is often used to improve the machinability of copper and stainless. Ang tellurium ay isang partikular na tanso sa bakal, mabubuting kanilang katangian. Ginagamit din ito ng mga photovoltaic cells para sa solar energy dahil ito ay nakakatulong sa mga pag-convert ng liwanag sa kuryente. Ginagamit ito sa paggawa ng chemical compounds na mahalaga sa industriya ng electronics at ilang aplikasyon sa medicine. Next, iodine. Iodine is a chemical element. It has a symbol I and atomic number 53. At the heaviest of the stable of halogens. It exists at standard condition as a semi-lustrous, non-metallic solid that melts to form a deep violet liquid at 114 Celsius (237 Fahrenheit) and boils to a violet gas at 184 Celsius and 363 Fahrenheit. Iodine is a chemical elemento ng simbolong In-53. Ito ay isang non-metal na may kulay purpura itim na anyo sa solid state. Kapag ito ay pinainit, nagiging gas ito na may katangian ng matinding apoy. Iodine has many commercial uses. Iodine salts are used pharmace- pharmaceuticals and disinfectants, printing inks and dyes, catalysts, animal feed supplements, and photographic chemicals. Iodine is also used to make polarizing filters for LCD displays. Next, trivia. Iodine is an essential element needed for life. It is best known for a vital role it plays in thyroid hormone production in humans as well as in all vertebrates. Iodine deficiency can lead to serious health problems including goiter, enlarged thyroid gland, intellectual disability, and cretinism. As a pure element, iodine is a lustrous purple black nonmetal that is solid under standard conditions. It sublimes change from solid to gaseous state while bypassing a liquid form easily and gives off a purple vapor, although it is technically a nonmetal. It exhibits some metallic qualities. Iodine ay itong isang kalusugan sa tao, lalo na produksyon ng thyroid hormones na kinakailangan para sa mga tamang metabolismo. Kulang ito. Kulang sa iodine sa maaaring pagdulot sa mga problema ng thyroid tulad ng goiter. Ito ay ginagamit ang iodine sa paggawa sa mga antiseptiko tulad ng povidone iodine at sa mga X-ray contrast agents. Next, xenon. Xenon Xe, chemical element as a heavy and extremely rare gas of group 18, noble gas of periodic table. It was the first noble was found from formed through chemical compounds more than 4.5 times heavier than air. Xenon is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Xenon ay ito ay isang walang kulay, walang amoy at walang lasa na gas na normal temperatura at presyon. Application: Xenon is used in medicine as general anesthetic and medical imaging. It is used in nuclear energy plants and for film, television, and radio tubes. Silicones, microprocessors are etched with xenon. The fluoride, xenon ion propulsion systems keep some satellites and other spacecraft in orbit. Trivia: Xenon was the first noble found to form chemical compounds. Heavy is extremely rare. This is chemical colorless, odorless, and tasteless. It occurs gases and wolfram in mineral springs and Earth and also Martian atmosphere. Ang xenon ay hindi reaktibo at hindi madaling mapag-ugnayan sa mga elemento. Isa sa mga pangunahing gamit nito ay sa mga espesyal na ilaw tulad ng xenon arc lamps, and xenon headlights dahil ito ay mataas na nitong liwanag at efficiency. Gumagamit ito ang xenon ng mga medical applications tulad ng anesthesia at sa mga high-performance applications gaya ng spacecraft at flash photography. Ito ay mahalagang papel sa mga modernong teknolohiya at mga industriya. Cesium. Cesium IUPAC spelling, also spelled cesium is American English, is a chemical element. It has symbol Cs and atomic number 55. It is a soft, silvery, golden alkali metal with a melting point of 28.5 Celsius, 83.3 Fahrenheit, 301.6 K, which which makes it in one only five element metals that are liquid near room temperature. Ito ay bilang ang cesium ito ay kinikilangan bilang sa mga pinakamatubig na metal. Sa normal temperatura, ito ay isang malambot na metal na kulay ginto. Application: The most common use for cesium compounds is drilling fluid. They are also used to make special optical glass as a catalyst promoter in vacuum tubes and radiation monitoring equipment. One of these most important uses is cesium atomic clock. Trivia: Cesium is a rare silver-white, shiny metal with brilliant blue spectral lines. The element names come from Caesius, a Latin from meaning sky blue. It is softest metal with a consistency a wax and at room temperature. Ang cesium ay sa mga aplikasyon sa telecommunication at sa mga scientific research. Ito ay kabuuang mahalaga sa mga iba't ibang larangan at teknolohiya at siyensya. Siyensya. Mario. Barium was first isolated by electrolysis of molten barium salts in 1808 by Sir Humphrey Davy in England. Davy, by analogy with calcium named barium, with baryta, with the ium ending significantly a metallic element. Ito ay isang karaniwang matatagpuan sa anyo ng compound sa kalikasan. Ang barium ay isang malambot at makintab na metal, madaling nagiging reactive lalo na sa tubig at hangin. Application: Barium is often used for spark plug electrodes and in vacuum tubes as drying oxygen removing agent, as well as fluorescent lamps, impure barium sulfide, phosphorescence after exposure to light. Its compounds are used by oil and gas industries to make drilling mud. Trivia: Barium was named after the word "bari", which is Greek "heavy". It's said that baryte, composed barium sulfate, was used in ancient witchcraft. Our Earth crust about 0.0425% barium. Isa sa mga Itong barium ay isa sa pangunahing gamit ng barium ay isang medisina, particularly sa mga procedure tulad ng barium swallow at barium enema. Sa mga prosesong ito, ginagamit ang barium sa mga sulfate bilang contrast agent upang mas malinaw makita ang mga bahagi ng gastro gas- gastrointestinal tract at sa X-ray. Ito ay ginagamit sa mga industriya tulad ng paggawa ng pinto, ceramics at iba't ibang materyales. Mahalaga ang baril sa iba't ibang aplikasyon. Ngunit dapat itong hawakan ng maingat dahil sa mga compound nito ay maaaring nakakalason. Next, lanthanum. Lanthanum is a ductile and malleable silvery white metal that is soft enough to be cut with a knife. It is second most reactive of the rare metals are europium. Platinum oxidizes in air at room temperature form LaToO3. Platinum ay kilala bilang isang malambot at pilak na puting metal. Ang lanthanum ay hindi gaano reaktibong, ngunit maaari itong makipag-ugnayan sa tubig at hangin. Application: Lanthanum is an important component metal alloy, about 20%. The best known use for alloy it is in plates for cigarette lighters. Rare earth compounds containing lanthanum are used extensively in carbon lighting applications such as studio lighting and cinema projection. Trivia: Lanthanides are silver-white colorite metals that tarnish in the air due to their reactivity. Lanthanides have high melting boiling points and react with water produce hydrogen gas. Many lanthanides burn when exposed to earth. Monazite, xenotime, and euxenite are the main lanthanide ores. Ah, Lanthanum ay isa sa mga pangunahing gamit ng lanthanum sa paggawa ng espesyal na salamin at lente tulad na sa mga kamera, telescope dahil kakayahan nitong mapabuti ang optical properties. Ginagamit din ito sa mga catalytic converters sa mga sasakyan upang makatulong sa mga reduce pollutant. And salamat. Ito na po ang aking